on the trail now. And just right in that little bushy area, the little creek. And I haven't really explored this creek yet, so that's what we're gonna do today. Well, this looks as good a place to start as any. Try to grab you guys along for the ride. Maybe 1 foot here. Oh yeah, that's a really dark, deep place. Looks promising. And the creek kind of goes down that way. I'm gonna try to get past here. Oh, on a rock. Ooh, I found a turtle. You see that? He's in there. I'll see him. Right there, what a beautiful creature. Should have seen him a little bit earlier. Is that a plane in the background? Sorry, there's a plane in the background. Check out these worm castings, yo. Worm poop or something. Worm poop. He's heading this way. He's heading this way. It's right there. See the dark shape moving under the water. Right there. Try to get him. Really liking just the whole aspect of nature here. Go that way, and the creek kind of goes into there. So, all right, guys, and just lifted up a rock. We found our first crayfish of the day. Right here, he's blended very well into the ground. Take a look at that. Can you even see him? Oh, there he is. He's moving. And then underneath this rock, we have another crayfish. You guys see that? So while I was looking around, I saw a bunch more of these. So we're not going to go near them because there might be poison ivy. So what I'm going to do is just keep lifting these rocks up. For example, this one here. Oh, dude, I see one. It's right there. God, he's beautiful. You guys see that? Let's see if I could do this. What's that next to him? Now you guys can clearly see. Can't tell. This guy's beautiful. I'm trying to see if I could grab him up. Never done this before. The idea is to just get him to really back up into me. Because as soon as he feels threatened, did you see that? He does that little, okay. There he is. Absolutely gorgeous. It's very lethargic, I'm not sure why. But if he's on land, I can check what gender this is if I just go ahead and oops. So it looks like it's a she. We'll try to get this done. Okay, so I moved the light super low, because if I don't, this is what you'll see. Looks like she's got some parasites on her. But if you count 1, 2, 3 from the bottom pair of bigger legs, you can see a little hole on there. Might take a picture for you guys and just add that in later, but those holes tell me that it's a female. I think the reason she's lethargic is because either there's water too cold or it's because of the parasites. So we're gonna go ahead and put her back where we found her. And there she is, and I do hope she does get better in the long run. Ooh. And I think we just found a dead one here. That little orange thing next to the leaf. Poor guy. It's just completely filled with spores. It's really cool. It's completely filled with spores. There's some spiders on there, so I'm a little bit afraid. I'm definitely afraid of spiders. Ooh. And right by my foot, so a little bit scared. There's another one just sort of sitting on the sand over there. So this tells me two things. That this stream is relatively clean, and so that this species is weird. They don't really hide under a lot of things. I don't see anything. Ooh. Is that it? Yeah, there we go. Got another one here. So I realized that every time I move the camera, it goes out of focus. So I have to refocus it. This guy's a little bit smaller than the one I picked up. I don't really want to touch him anymore because of the parasite, so. Yeah, so basically just working my way down this little creek here. We still got a little bit more to go, but I see some sand here, which is, I'm gonna just have to walk past it, so that's why I stopped. Just down here somewhere. And I do see these little salamander things, but I'm not sure what they are. I'm gonna take you, if I can find another one, I'll try to go for a close-up. But you know that thing where whenever you're trying to find something, you just can't find it, but as soon as you stop looking, it comes back. Ooh, is that it? Okay, yeah, he's just right under there. Take a good look. See if I can move some of the stuff away. It's right there. Yeah. There he is. Y'all see him? Oh, he's coming under this rock here. Try to move that for you. Absolutely gorgeous specimen. So all along the riverbank, as you can see, there's these really deep spots here, these little dark, deep spots filled with leaf litter. And if it was just a little bit warmer, I would go with a net and try to see what I would do to catch anything in here, hiding in there, but right now I'm just not going to do it because I don't have the tools for it. Maybe next time. But wow, this is really nice. The moss on this tree is absolutely gorgeous looking, and it looks so ancient. Look, if I were to just do that and have you guys look down, it doesn't that just completely make your day? It looks like earth a little bit, surface of the earth, and in a way it is. And I did manage to find another one right there. Let me clean off the camera, sorry. He's right there, so just keep your eyes peeled for it. Right in the center. I see him. Just kind of hide in there. Back up a little bit so the camera focuses really well on it. And as I'm walking down the trail, I just smell a bunch of honeysuckle. I'm not sure where they are because I can't see them everywhere. Oh, look, there's a nice bridge. There's a bridge overlooking the little creek. Looking down. It's barely flowing, man. It's like no water flow. Let's check the other side. So this is what the other side looks like. I think that's where we'll be going today. But I barely see any water flow. See that really reflective part right there? That happens in my aquarium too, with like a surface film. That's where areas of really low water flow can form that, which is basically there's excess like proteins and fats and nutrients in the water and from all the decomposing stuff. And then it floats to the top as the bacteria eats it away. And then that's what the film is. But if we see a little farther over there, there's a lot of water flow. You can see all that water moving. You don't see the water film. At least that's my theory. It's my theory. There's a little bit more of the ferns from earlier. Looks like someone planted these. So weird. I mean, probably not, but who knows? Who knows the type of people that visit these woods? Well, we got out of here, but I still haven't found my honeysuckle, which is really annoying. Oh, is that a cardinal? Look. Right there. Oh, he's flying away. Kind of a sad sight watching nature and the, I guess the tarmac or the little road blend in together. I really smell a lot of honeysuckle. I'm not sure where they are. Okay, I see it. I see the honeysuckle. We're going in, boys. We're going in. Look at that. Look at all those honeysuckles. Oh man, can't wait to put the camera down and eat some if possible. Oh, it smells so good. I wish you guys could see. Ooh, pine cone. And then, dang, look at all those flowers. Every time I eat these, I always feel like the yellow ones are a little bit tastier than the white ones. Like take a look at that. We've got the yellow ones and the white ones. The yellow ones are definitely sweeter. Got a nice little bee here. Oh, he left. Oh God, he's close. Let's go back. Okay, so the bee got real close to me, so I had to scramble out. But I'm sure there's more honeysuckles. Well, we got a nice bush here. Man, I love this bush of honeysuckle. But it looks a little bright to me. Let's see if I could decrease the lighting on this so you guys see the real difference between a little bit more. There it is. White ones and the yellow ones. The yellow ones are definitely a little bit sweeter. Okay, this is probably my favorite bush right here. It's just everywhere.